Show Grandpa.
Show Grandpa.
Grandpa, this is my sleeping bag.
How much money?
Jordan. Not appropriate. What do you say to Grandpa?
This is my sleeping bag.
What do you say to Grandpa?
Thank you.
And Grandma too?
Well, what? Tell Grandma she said thank you.
Let's see what it says, though. Let's open it up. Let's look at it.
Do you want to help her? Is it a puppy?
Emma, pull the plastic.
Oh, Jordan, you're so helpful.
Uh-oh, what's somebody's name on it?
It's in my sleeping bag.
No.
And your sleeping bag.
Look whose name it says.
It's mine.
Show Grandpa.
See? See, Grandma?
Oh, just like Jordan and Jasmine? Oh my goodness.
Mine.
Go tell Grandpa what you did today.
Bedroom?
Sleeping bag.
Oh, great. You're never going to sleep in your bed again.
See the